Gloria Allred has another landmark case on her hands. She's representing a man named Justin Quinn, who claims that a pitching coach for the Atlanta Braves baseball team made homophobic comments and crude sexual gestures to some fans in front of his kids before the Braves-Giants game in San Francisco Saturday. Justin said when he confronted the guy about it, the coach threatened him with a bat, and here's Gloria detailing what allegedly occurred.
Mr. Quinn heard Coach McDowell say to these men, quote, "Are you guys a homo couple or a threesome?" End quote. Then the coach allegedly grabbed a baseball bat and started shoving the small end through a circle formed by his finger and thumb, simulating sex. The coach then allegedly said, "Are you three giving it to each other up the," and he used the word for, crude word for rear end, while thrusting his hips forward and backward in a sexual manner. Coach McDowell then put up 3 fingers, pointing at the men, and in response, some individuals in the bleachers shouted, "Oh my God."
I especially love the twin girls looking on, watching, just in case they missed it the first time. They should now hire a lawyer to sue Gloria Allred for doing that in front of them. And just in case that description wasn't specific enough for you, here's a visual aid.
Okay, so Justin.
Look at that. And she keeps up. She's a natural. The best press conference maybe ever, right? They call that move a Louisville tugger.